Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL 4Motion. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 104,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and Bluetooth.